Hi YouTubers, today we're going to do a tutorial for changing the controls of your Volkswagen mirrors. So this control has a power heater for the mirrors. So if you have problems with your heating of the mirrors, it probably is this controller. So we're going to need a digital multimeter and the engine of the car to be turned on and to measure that voltage that comes in the mirror. This mask will come off and then we'll change this controller for the mirrors. But first we'll measure with the engine turned on the voltage in the mirrors. You're gonna put two fingers here and then release the mirror. And here are the contacts that charge the heater in the mirror. And now let's measure. So this is the positive wire, this is the negative wire. So as first reading I have 6 volts, 12 volts, 14 volts, but it's rapidly changing, and I guess it's the controller. So now I'm gonna change the controller and see the results. I had 6 volts, I don't know what's happening. Now remove this panel by pulling up. You will need some plastic tools, but I think I can manage this only with my hands. So you have some clicks here, and now I'm sure I will not scratch it. And now take easily out these handles, and here is the connector. The connector have a safety. And now take out this connector too to work easier with this handler. With a screwdriver, lift off this plastic and then just pull it, and you'll see it has just 3 clips holding it. Next, take out the new one and just fit it here and click it. And it fitted perfectly. Now put back the 2 connectors, click it, also click it, and then put back the mask by pushing down. Click and click. This is pretty much the operation. Now let's measure again the power outside. So if you can see now, I have a constant voltage of 14.3 volts. So this is the voltage you got to have for your mirrors to be heated right. Don't forget to clean these connectors because these connectors will make problems with the dirt and the dust in time. So guys, these are the operation you have to do to assure that your mirrors of the car are properly heated. So are simple operations. You just have to replace that control of the mirrors with the heater. So please check your voltage on the wires, and this is pretty much it. Your mirrors will be properly heated. Subscribe to our channel and comment below. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.